Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find and use the Splice tool on CapCut PC. So you don't actually have to select on the clip for you to find it, it's just right over here. Sometimes a lot of features you do need to click on the clip for it to show, but this one you don't. To split your clips, just select your clips here, and then here you can just press the split button to split it into other clips. Or you can use this, like split to the left, so it will delete the left part. So for instance, you split it here, it's going to delete the left part of your video. If you selected the split right, it's going to delete the right side of your video. You can also select this button here or press the C button on your keyboard to make the editing process a little bit easier, I guess. I'm not sure why it's not splitting the clips, but it should work if you use the split bit right here. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.